The ruthless rise of the Sigma male. Why he's unstoppable in 2025. The mindset she can't tame. The power they can't control. Let's be real, brothers. The world's changed. Loud mouths are getting exposed. Fake leaders are folding under pressure. And the traditional alpha blueprint? Outdated, predictable, easy to read. Because in 2025, one man is rising through the noise. Silently. He doesn't beg. He doesn't chase. He doesn't flex for approval. He moves like a shadow, but hits like a storm. And they call him the Sigma male. What makes the Sigma different? While alphas crave dominance, Sigmas crave freedom. While betas seek acceptance, Sigmas move in isolation by design. He's not the leader of the pack. He's the wolf who left the pack and built his own damn path. No validation, no noise, no need to be seen. He's not antisocial. He's selectively social. He doesn't hate people. He just doesn't need them. And that independence, it terrifies the system. Women don't know how to handle him. She's used to men chasing, begging, proving. But when she meets a Sigma, he doesn't chase. He analyzes. He observes. He decides if she even fits into his world. She calls him mysterious. She tells her friends, I can't read him. She texts more because he's not texting first. And that emotional detachment, it drives her crazy. Why? Because she can't control him. And women crave what they can't control. The world can't box him in bosses, can't manipulate him. Social circles can't influence him. Trends don't impress him. Why? Because the Sigma plays a long game. He doesn't chase status. He builds skill. He stacks money. He keeps receipts. And when the world finally notices, he's already 10 moves ahead. They wonder how he got there. They don't realize. He was putting in the work in silence while they were out here seeking clout. The Sigma Code. Rules of the Unshaken 1. Move in silence. Let results talk. 2. Never beg, never chase, never fold. 3. Discipline over dopamine. Always. 4. Be unpredictable. Be unbreakable. 5. Kill distractions. Build legacy. Why the Sigma is dominating 2025. Because in a world where everyone's desperate to be seen, liked, and followed, the Sigma doesn't care. He's playing for power, not popularity. He's not addicted to attention. He's addicted to growth. He's not here to fit in. He's here to take over. In a world full of weak men, emotional outbursts, and constant validation seeking, the Sigma is dangerous because he's rare, and rare is always valuable. Final truth. Become the storm, not the echo. This isn't about being cold. It's about being calculated. This isn't about isolation. It's about independence. Every Sigma was once a man who got burned, disrespected, ignored, lied to, until he said, never again. He cut off the noise. He cut off the need. And he built a version of himself that's impossible to break. You want to be that man? Here's your call to action. Fall back from the crowd. Dial in on the grind. Detach from the drama. Sharpen your mind like a weapon. If you're done being average, if you're done being emotional, if you're done being predictable, then like, comment, and subscribe to the Sigma frequency. Because while they talk, we build. While they flex, we execute. And while they follow, we lead alone.